Hey guys, it's Lex and happy prom season. If your prom has already come and gone, I apologize. This tutorial is kind of late for you, but it's still a fun makeup look for you to learn, so that's a plus. But anyway, with prom approaching, I wanted to touch on the subject of long wearing makeup and this super glam look. So if you'd like to learn a little bit of tips and tricks on how to keep your makeup lasting all night long for prom, keep on watching. Because you know it's prom night and you're gonna be dancing the night away, you definitely wanna make sure that your makeup's gonna stay put. So to prime, not you, but if you want to, you can. I'm going to be using our Poreless Mattifying Primer, and I'm just gonna be placing it in any areas in which I get oily, just to really mattify and keep my makeup from getting really shiny and greasy looking. For foundation, I'm going to be using our Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm wearing the shade Medium Sand. I love this foundation whenever I know that I have a really long event or that I'm gonna be dancing a lot, because the Amazonian Clay is really gonna help mattify and control the excess oil, and my skin knows how to produce that oil. Plus, it's gonna keep you from sweating and ruining your gorgeous makeup that you spent all this time on. So this is my #1 for that. To conceal those under eyes and spot conceal any problem areas you have, I'm aiming for our Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm wearing the shade Light Medium. To set my foundation and make sure it's gonna stay in place all night, even though it already is, because everything I just put on has Amazonian Clay in it, so we're already winning with that situation. Now I'm going in with our Amazonian Clay Smooth Operator Tinted Pressed Powder, and I'm just gonna set my face. For bronzer today, I'm using our Hotel Heiress Matte Waterproof Bronzer. I don't know about you guys, but on prom night, I'm a little extra, if not very extra, so I want my contour to be on fleek, and that's what we're gonna do. For blush, I'm using our Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Risque, and I'm just gonna be placing it right on the apples of my cheeks, kind of in like a check mark motion. Highlight, I'm using our Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Highlight in the shade Exposed. This is my favorite highlight, and personally for me, I don't know about you, but if you can't see my highlight from Mars, I don't have enough on, and this is the perfect highlight for that. So that's what we're gonna do. Yep. My eyes, I'm going to be using our Tartelette in Bloom Amazonian Clay palette. First, I'm going to be tapping into the shade Smarty Pants right here. I'm going to be using that as a transition shade in my crease to set the tone for my eye look. To deepen the crease, I'm going to be tapping into Jet Setter. For all over the lid, I'm going in with Funny Girl. I'm gonna spray it a little bit with some Marine Boosting Mist just to really amp up the metallic in the shadow. Really make it pop. Also taking Funny Girl and I'm placing it on the inner corner too. And last but not least, I'm gonna tap into the shade Activist and place that in my outer V and also in my crease just to really smoke up the look. I'm gonna create a winged liner with our Tarte's Double Take liner, the liquid side. Prior to applying my false lashes, I'm going to be applying a coat of our Tarte Lash Paint Mascara. For my false lashes, I'm going to be using our Tarte Pro cruelty-free lashes in the style Center of Attention. On prom night, you need to be the center of attention, so that's what's happening. For my brows, I'm using our Amazonian Clay Brow Mousse in the shade Ash Blonde. We want them brows to be on point and stay on all night, and this is gonna do that for you. For my lips, I'm going in with our Tarte's Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in the shade Extra. Because like I said, you have to be extra on prom night. And this is gonna stay on, it's gonna be non-transferable, so when you drink, eat, all that good stuff, you're not gonna have to worry about reapplying your lipstick, and this will be your savior on your prom night. So here's the final look on how to achieve a long wearing super glam prom makeup look. Make sure to comment down below and let me know where your prom is, what school you go to, and what dress you're wearing. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Till next time.